Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, and today we are doing all of our tests in our weekly packet. So part of the packet, you do have your spelling test and your grammar. So I just want to make sure that I'm going to go ahead and read the spelling words to you, but I just want to make sure for your grammar, you are circling the proper noun in each sentence. Remember what the proper noun is and circle the proper noun in each sentence, okay? You're going to do that up here and down here. All right, so for the spelling words, if you need to find the paper for the spelling words or the spelling test, you can pause the video and then resume it when you find it. So when you are ready, you can press play. So for spelling word number 1, the word is that. That. That is a pretty bow. That. Number 2, then. 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 Then we went to the park. Then. Then. Number 3, this. This. This is her name. This. Number 4, them. Them. She will go with them. Them. Number 5, with. With. Is she with you? With. With. Number 6, bath. Bath. Please take the dog a bath. Bath. Number 7, these. These. These are your pencils. These. These. Number 8, math. Math. My students do great at math. Math. Number 9, little. Little. The dog is little. Little. And number 10, blue. Blue. The ocean is blue. Blue. Okay, so if you missed any of those words, please restart the video and pause after each word so that you have time to think about how to spell the word, and then you can write the word on the correct line. So I hope you have a great morning, and I will see you soon. Thank you.